Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Instagram with Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can build automations called scenarios that connect different apps and services. If you are not already signed in, make sure you are logged into your Make account so you can access your organization and start creating a new workflow. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens the Scenario Builder, which is where you choose the apps you want to connect and define what actions they should perform. Think of this as the place where your automation starts to take shape. In the Scenario Builder, use the search area and enter Instagram. Typing the app name helps. Make quickly narrow down the available modules so you can find the correct service without scrolling through a long list of integrations. Make sure you enter Instagram clearly so the right option appears. When Instagram shows up in the results, click on it to continue. This tells Make that Instagram is the app you want to work with in your scenario. After selecting it, you'll be shown a list of available actions or triggers depending on what the integration supports. Next, select a sample action. The exact action you choose can depend on what you want your automation to do, but for the purpose of connecting the account, any appropriate sample action will help you move forward to the connection step. This is a normal part of setting up a scenario, and it gives Make the context it needs before asking you to connect Instagram. After that, select a sample connection. At this stage, Make will prompt you to either choose an existing connection or create a new one for Instagram. If this is your first time linking the account, you'll typically create a new connection and follow the authorization prompts. Be sure to review the permissions requested so you understand what access is being granted. Once the connection is completed and everything looks correct, click Save. Saving confirms your setup and keeps the connection in place inside your scenario so you can continue building the automation later if needed. That's it. You have now connected Instagram with Make.com. As a final tip, after saving, it's a good idea to double check that the selected action and connection are showing correctly in the Scenario Builder. This helps you confirm that the integration was added successfully and is ready for the next part of your automation setup.